Hello, I'm in a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm going to show you about coolant. So first open the hood, and then with this open, this is the top of your radiator, this is your coolant reservoir, this is where you typically add coolant to. But from here, double check the side. There's a full mark down here and a low mark a little lower. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top, just because there's supposed to be some air gap here. And next I would double check you've got the right coolant for your particular make and model, and ideally you want to have the same color and type that's what's in here already. And then all that said, you don't want to work with this system while the vehicle's on or it's hot, so make sure this is cooled down first, just because this system works at a boil, and it's a poisonous liquid, so you don't want a bunch of poison shooting out all over your hands. Typically you never need to add to here, but if you need to check the radiator, you just push down and twist about twice, and this pops right off and you'll see coolant right there. And then for your side reservoir, this is where you typically would add to every so often, but just pop this open. And then either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug with your diluted coolant, just fill as needed till you're around the full mark. Pop this closed nice and tight again so nothing else falls in. And then at this point, once it's full, I would start your system so you can run some coolant through the lines so you can help better see for any leaks that might need addressed, so through some of the lines, through the possible cracked radiators or reservoirs or things like that, which if there is one, you'd see some puddling start to form somewhere through the engine bay or under the vehicle, like under the radiator. And a way to tell that apart from like water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but see you have a glove on it and you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.